Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with Abasu. So today we are learning one of the simple question but important. What is SQL Server? So before we start, let me tell you a short story. So once upon a time, there was a manager of a big giant company. People keep coming and asking him, where's the employee list? What is the customer count of last week? What is the sales number of the previous quarter? One come and request, can you please delete my leave request which I by mistakenly applied on the appraisal day? One come and asked, can you urgently compare last 2 years sales and provide me the list? The manager isn't stressed, with full of papers around. He is in chaos and he needs help. So then comes SQL Server. Relax. I'll store your data, organize it, protect it, and give it to you whenever you demand it. Clean and sorted. The manager isn't relaxed and peace. So technically, SQL Server is a relational database management system software developed by Microsoft. It stores, organize, retrieve, and protect your data. It stores your data in a structure format, in tables with rows and columns, just like Excel. But Excel cries over 1 lakh of records, where SQL Server can save 10 millions of records without any complaint. So, how do SQL Server talk? It doesn't shout. It uses SQL, structure query language. For example, select star from customers, where city equal to Mumbai. Here, you're asking SQL Server to give a list of customer whose city is Mumbai. SQL Server say, definitely, here is the list. So in SQL Server, you can select the data, insert the new rows, update the existing records, and delete the rows which are not needed. So now, who uses SQL Server? SQL Server is just not for techies. It is used by banks, hospital, e-commerce website, your favorite food delivery apps, and even government agencies. So whenever you see data, there might be SQL Server. Now worried about the cost of SQL Server? Well, SQL Server comes in different editions. First, the Express edition. It is free and for the beginners. Second, Developer edition. It has all the enterprise feature but can only use in development. Third, Standard edition. It is used for the growing business. Fourth, the Enterprise edition. It is used by the big giant companies who says data is gold every morning. Fifth, Web edition, which is used for the web hosting companies. For more details about the edition, you can definitely check my video. So next time, if someone asks what is SQL Server, don't say, I don't know, it's something technical. Just say, it is organized, overachieving data, stores my data securely, never sleeps, never lose my files, and protects my data. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, do share and subscribe. Also comment your thoughts below.